1.
Hey guys, it's me, Chip-tastic. Anyways, today we are going to... I don't know what we're gonna do because I have nothing to do. Today is like the worst day ever. Don't you have those days where you're just like, I don't know what to do. It sucks. So yeah. Here's my subscribers. If you're one of those subscribers, I love you. Hello? See if I get anything new. Yes. I got pizza. On the first day of Christmas, my true baby. I don't know what. Oh, nice. You're my baby rainbow. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. No, I'm kidding. You know Dasher and Dancer and Dasher and Prancer and Dancer and Vixen and Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of them all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, like a light bulb. And if you ever saw it... Okay, I'm gonna redo this. You know Dasher and Prancer and Dancer and Vixen and Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of them all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose like a light bulb. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They wouldn't, like Pinocchio. They wouldn't let poor Rudolph play in any of the reindeer games like Monopoly. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say in his underwear, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then all the reindeer loved him, as they shouted out in glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. Like the Flintstones, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. Yeah, like the Flintstones. That's what they did. They went down in history. See, that's a song our school sings. That's whatever kid in our whole entire town sings. I just stumbled. I'm gonna make my own Christmas song. It's called Santa. Hey, Santa, you work there? Boom, boom. Hey, Santa, hey, give me my presents now. I want my presents now. Oh, wait, I already opened them. Give me some more, you smelly armpit man. You go down those chimneys every night. I'm gonna follow you around till you give me more of those presents. That was a horrible song. I want more presents. For some reason, I'm greedy. Evil. Greedy baby. My pizza. Let's take you off, you helmet thing. Whatever that is. I'm gonna follow you around. You're gonna go on the ground. You'll be the one. Okay, I'm gonna sing you guys one of my songs I've made. This song is called Stop Loving Me. You stop loving me in every way you can. You look at me with those eyes. I look at you. You think to me what you doing. All I can say is everything's okay. Now all I can say is that you're not with me. All I can say is that you're true to your mind. Don't worry about me. Go alone. We never were supposed to be together, but nothing really ever happens right. All I can think of is you. All you can think of is me. All I can say is that you're my baby. You're the one.
Bro,
Yeah.
I got food in this little cooker.
Yeah.
Cooking, and I think I'm gonna go take a nap.
Okay.
You're wondering where we're at. But we'll probably try not to sleep too long.
Okay.
I do this.
Anyways, that's all I have for the song so far. I have a lot of other songs I come up with. So let's talk about you guys subscribing to me, right? You like that? Give me, never gets. I want a pineapple. Kissy cupcake, kissy cupcake, kissy, kissy, kissy cupcake. Where are you? What is this? Oh no, that's not what I meant to do. Decent potato. No decent potatoes as decent as me. I'm coming up with a song right now. Raccoon the pineapple. No, I have a Hatchimal. I have a Hatchimal. Hey, hi, Pinocchio. I don't know what I'm doing. Why am I singing? I could be eating. Eating you. Oh, a blow. So, you're a sparkly cupcake, and you're beautiful. Coming by one of our cars, and then we'll give you a sparkly cupcake. Then you'll be happy. You'll all get one. You'll be happy. You can't tell us no to this. Be happy. We'll give you a shiny cupcake. There. Grand show off. You're a show off. Young Pinky. Captain Tush. I'm growing weak. I don't have anything. Ah! Oh, that hurt. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like, comment. Oh my. And subscribe. Peace out. Goodbye. Love you guys. Peace out. Bye.